Hello everyone and welcome to another game. This game is called Reassembly. I will be doing a season of this until I get bored of it, and I will still be doing Nova Drift on Sundays if you do just want to watch Nova Drift. Let's get into it. So, do a save slot. I do love the red faction, it is awesome. Except I'm going to start with the Terran, because why not? Don't know why that name was in there, but I'm going to change it. It comes up every time. It is very annoying. I want the white, but I want red. Not a too intense red, but a decently intense red. Or I could do that. Okay, let's go. Galaxy scale 400%, yes. Station count 300. Number of agents 5. Number of gravity wells 80. Very nice. I will change these. We change that to 100, normal size. Nah, we'll do 400. 400% is nice. And I believe these are just factions to get rid of. I think. Let's just get rid of agents altogether. None, none, none. So every faction will be in this. And that's going to be nice. Where do I spawn? I spawn all the way down here. Oh my god. Oh well, let's go. Just mouse WASD. Basics into the world. I have played this before, I just don't know how to turn off the tutorial, which is kinda sad. Ow? What are you doing? That is a very burst fire thing. I don't think I like that. Rocket turrets are very nice. Pulse blaster. No, I'm fine. Absolutely fine. Burst laser, mine layer, torpedo launcher, rocket launcher. Most of the stuff is unguided in this except for the missiles, which are guided. Drones, which is nice. I already have the defense cannon. Okie doke. Wrong button. Okay. So, this is the starter thing, except that it's a little fast, so I'm going to change that by putting a second generator in it. Or I don't have to, and I can just limit the amount of thrusters that are in here. Probably better. Wow, this thing has a lot of thrusters. Okie doke, there's an afterburner. But I'm going to start changing some things. We want defense cannon in there, defense cannon in there. Autocannon, I'll keep the autocannon for now. Actually, no. I'm gonna change it to a flat cannon. Okie doke. And I will, in fact, change this to a generator. Okay. So we have less thrust, which is good. We have a missile launcher, 2 plasma cannons, a decent amount of stuff. I'm not going to change too much from the interceptor, but bindings. Those 3 are on point defense, those 2 are left mouse, right mouse. Okay. And save that as the interceptor. And there's everything. We're gonna go 3. We're going to remove that, remove that, remove that, remove that. I'm going to be creating my own things. This thing is slightly speedy. Not too speedy. Okay. So this is basically the faction, sort of. Hey, another new interceptor. Good. So these are the objectives. Objective and resource. I need to find a damaged station. Okay. So we have the 2 plasma blasters and then the missiles. Okay. So press U to upgrade the ship. Yep, done that. Oh, press U and upgrade something. I will save up some money. Let's go find something. Oh, some stuff. Permanently increases P. Good, I want that. I need to destroy a ship. Why am I getting credits? What? I'm just constantly getting credits. Huh? Why am I getting credits? I have no idea why I'm getting credits. I can scale this? Oh my god. I can make it very big. I cannot change the size of that. Hull can change the size of that. Oh wow, I can make that very big. Okay. I don't really have anything extra that I can put on this. So let's go. Okay. So, this is the vast emptiness of space. Okay, let's come back. I'm one very speedy thing. I can launch missiles, I can shoot. Oh my god! Well, that's the red faction. Okay, I have no idea why we are right next to the red faction. Why are they spawning this thing? What is this? Why is this? There is no point in it being here. Why? 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 Okay, I am just going to go on my merry way. Maybe claim some of the red faction's territory. Launch missiles. The red are actually slightly easier to kill than other factions because they have very small ships. Compared to some. What is that? A skirmisher. And another interceptor who apparently can grab blocks. Okay. Do you guys have a damaged station anywhere? No? Well, I'm going to shoot at you from afar with missiles. Hee. Or maybe not. Yay. I got him! Trade 100R to a spawner. Is that not a spawner? A science vessel. What the hell? That is one... Oh my god, I thought that was dead. It's neutral though. What weapons does it have? Oh my god, if it starts firing at me, I'm dead. Where is its core? Ooh. Easier said than done, is it? Or is it just super easy? Yeah, easier said than done. Well, that wasn't smart. I think I need to upgrade my ship. A lot. I'm going to get rid of that, get rid of that. Put in some missile launchers, yay! And then maybe some more thrusters. I don't know. Yeah, another thruster. I still want a little bit of speed. Everyone loves speed, right? Who doesn't love a little bit of speed? Do I want that? Or... We remove those. Put that there. Remove that. Put that there. I still have some. I want some more thrusters there. Okay. Exit. Save. Yes. Lots. But I actually want to go to bindings. Those 3 on point defense, which is good. I want ripple fire for right mouse. Because ripple fire basically means that it just goes faster. You'll see. Ready? Fast. Very fast. I'm just shooting missiles everywhere. Mostly out my rear side. I think I'll change it back to fire all. Yeah, it doesn't fire fast enough. I'll do that. Delete that. Put that in. That is the updated version. Okie doke. The battle nurse got wrecked. Oh my god. We took their healing lasers. Why? Why have we done this? This is not alright. Why? Anyway, let's go claim some more red territory. Okie doke. What do the Reds have? Neutral, cruiser. Stop. Hang on a second. What's that cruiser doing? Oh, got him. Oof. Oi! You stealing my stuff? Feel the wrath of me. I am wrath. R capacity. Ooh, that is not a lot of credits. I want... What do I want? I want the drone launcher. That's what I want. Fire missiles. I love how most of the missiles come out my arse. That's funny. The red no longer have any territory. Mwahaha. I am in unknown space. Can we, like, scan territory here, please? I'm exploring new sectors. Can we, like, know what these sectors are, please? Ooh. Whoa. What the hell? I am not going near that. Oop, the red are taking a lot of territory. A brawler and a storm. Storms are very... Oh, no. Hell no. Launch the Doom missiles. Launch them. Launch them quick. Oh my god. Do. Ha! Missiles are overpowered against the red. The red does not know this. Haha. We can just take red territory. Ready? Claw. You are dead as hell. Ooh, it was very much defending itself. Battle nurse. Oh my god! I destroyed a battle nurse. You're joking. Ha! Got him. Oh wow, that is a lot of resource. Let us go back. Whee! I can get the drones now, but firstly I'm going to go grab this resource. Over at the battle nurse. What the hell? Where'd the resource go? Fine. Drone launcher. Drone launcher. Inexpensive, short-range laser, deadly in quantity. Something is happening upstairs, and I have no idea what it is. Okie doke. So, I am going to get rid of some of my missiles, so I can get some drones. I don't know how much they are. 23. Can I get 2? This is the question. Yes, I can. Okie doke. Well, then again, that one wasn't technically connected. If I just quickly connect all this somewhere. Yes, too much P. What can I get rid of? It's only by a bit, so I can... We'll see when we get to that point. We could probably take off that missile, chuck in another container. Health 104, health 250. Health 250, it's better. How much health does this thing have? Health 41, yeah, that's not a lot. This has a health of 50. Okay. I can make it bigger. Yes. But I don't need that. I don't need it that big. I just need it like that. But this is good. Yes. And I can then just chuck on some more. I do not have enough. I could just put thrusters on there. No. I could put a thruster there. That works. Yeah. I'm going to call this the light carrier bindings. Those 3 are point defense. These 2 are mouse 4 on ripple fire. Those 2 are right mouse on ripple fire. And those, okay, yeah. Exit, save, 3. So alt drag is to copy something. And rebuilding. Here we go. So I can just launch drones pretty decently. This is good. Then I can just launch missiles and shoot. Okay. And I have a decent point defense. I love how all the drones just follow me. I could just get 10. Whoop! No, 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 no. Attack the brawler. Hey, brawler. You like missiles? Didn't think so. Aw, he didn't die. Shoot them missiles. Oh yeah. I just turn around and smack him in the face. There's a claw over there. They shouldn't attack me if I don't do anything. Ah! I need to just sit here and shoot. Oh, hell no. Oh no. That is not good. Let's grab some resource. I'm gonna shoot some doom explodey boys at them. Yeah. All this resource. Very good. Very, very good. Oh, I love this music. I'm just going to sit on the other side of this asteroid and you won't be able to do anything, hey? Let's go! Bye! Ooh, big lot of stuff. I can't grab that, can I? I won't have enough time. Oh well. Let's try anyway. Oh, I knew it wouldn't be here. I tried anyway. Is it dead? No. It's dead! Huh? Wow. It's just completely dead. What killed it? I didn't kill it. Maybe my drones killed it, but it didn't say that I killed it. I don't know, it's confusing. I want to split it in half. Yes! Boom! 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 Yes. That's like 3 battle nurses completely decimated. Time check! Wow, we are very nearing the end of this video. Let's go take some red territory and then I will end up the video. Okay, let's go. After I buy something. Railgun, rocket turret, rocket launcher, torpedo turret, whole bunch of stuff. Manipulator. Tractor beam? It's a grabber beam. Laser. Kinda want the antimatter cannon. It's the mounted death machine. But I think I'll save up for the factory. End goal, get a factory. Storm, you are dead. Oh no. Too much stuff, too much stuff, too much stuff, too much stuff. Boom. No, don't you take that. Unhappy. Oh my god, what the hell was that? Whoa. Okie doke. There's my front half. Destroy it. There shall be no evidence. It's just a block, nothing else. Oh no. Oh no, you do not. Storm? Yeah. Dead. Dead, I say. It's mine, mine. Haha. Oh my god, battle nurses are getting dominated down here. Battle nurses aren't really OP, are they? They're very weak from the behind. No, don't you dare laser me. Oh yeah, the hammerheads can heal me now. I believe... Oh, it's not the end yet. We have a little bit of time. Ow. Okie doke. We are going to launch. We are going to fly through and launch missiles at enemies because that's what we do. Hello? Anyone here? Oh yes, there are people here. Come on. Yeah, missiles. Get them. Huh. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I am dead. And on that note, time is up. It's been very nice seeing you all today, and, well, not really seeing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a generally great day. Lockdown has been lifted. We're all having lots of fun. Have a great time, like and subscribe. Goodbye. I didn't plan that. Hang on, let's do that again. Okay. Like and subscribe. No. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do that again. Like and subscribe, everyone. It's been a great time with you. Just have a great time. But do definitely like and subscribe. Goodbye.